this time of the night, I'm having this itchy. Okay, like it's so hurtful. How can you even make this? Like, I don't even understand. I try to check why the frontal is scratching me so much. Like, seriously, I try to pull it. I want to pull this off. Like, it's not even pulling. Can you see? It's not pulling. I'm dragging it with all my strength and it's not going off. So I really need to take this thing off because it's hurting me and it's itching me badly. I managed to use it and sleep last night. Oh my God, I couldn't keep myself. Ouch. Please hurry up. Be fast. I just noticed it's maybe because the breeze is not entering my skin. That's why the thing is scratching me and it's giving me so much headache. It's giving me so much stress. Like, seriously, I don't know why the thing is so strong. I think it's because of the glue. Ow. It's so painful. Please let me lose this hair. Lose this hair. Lose this hair. Hurry up, please. So, oh, shit. Ow. Lose it now. It's hurting me. Ouch. So painful. Razor can't touch me. The hair is scratching me. I don't know why the hair is scratching me. Hurry up, please. Hurry up. Ouch. Yeah, they scratched me. Ouch. It's not. Is it lice inside?
200.
200 lice. Oh shit. Easy, don't cut. Please don't cut my hair. If you cut my hair, you're gonna go to the line of restoring back my hair. Oh shit. Oh. Oh Lord. Oh girl, this hair is scratching. So if I want to make my front, I'll just make my front and do my photo shoots and dump it, because I don't think I'm going to make my front and just carry it for a long time because this hair is itching me badly. It's giving me mental issues, giving me problems, and it's making me feel sad. Oh Lord. So my girl is saying that, what did you say? What did you say? That why the hair is scratching me?
Because there's no space for hair.
Although we had 3 bundles of 300 grams of hair on my head, so I don't know, she said it's because of heat and there was so much oil on my hair. So that's why the hair is itching me so much. Like, it's itching me badly. Look at my hair. Look at it. I've scratched my hair out. So I just want to lose this shade out from my hair, you know.
Exactly.
Ouch. me. Jesus, no, 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 that thing they drag me.
So where do you want?